Crypto bubble is a tool that you can use to trade cryptocurrency or invest in cryptocurrency. I have been using crypto bubble for a while now to trade or invest in cryptocurrency. And in today's video, I want to share with you guys how I go about trading cryptocurrency or investing in cryptocurrency using crypto bubble. This tool is amazing if say you understand how to use it, how to apply it, and how to read the chart. And today I want you guys to see everything you need to know about this crypto bubble. If say you are watching me for the first time, you are welcome here on the BETONG Crypto. Here I create content that will help you make money in cryptocurrency. I share projects with high potential to make you money. So if say this interests you, you want to go right now and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share my content with someone else out there. Having said that, guys, let's dive straight away to this amazing tool here, crypto bubble. This is the interface of crypto bubble. The green shows project or cryptos that are in good shape, like that are pumping or in green. Meanwhile, the red represent projects that are going down in price. So you can see they have hourly time frame, they have daily time frame, they have weekly time frame, they have monthly time frame, and they have the yearly time frame. They also have market cap plus week, so you can look at the market cap plus weekly time frame, and you can change all of these by going here to use whatsoever time frame you want. But for this video, I'm going to focus on what I already have here: the 1 hour, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly market cap plus weekly time frame. Now, this is very important if say you understand how to look at one simple aspect of technical analysis, which is support and resistance. I'm going to do a separate video about support and resistance, but let me just focus on this one right now. When you look at this project, like start from the yearly time frame. When I look at the yearly time frame, I'm going to see that almost all of them are in red, and we have some few like CFX, AGX, AGIX, BGB, GMX, OKB, and ING that are in green. So we have only about 6 or 7 in green. And if say I go to the monthly time frame, that is for the past 1 month, we're going to see that for the top 100 project, we have FTT, ING, CAS, XRD, WU, LRC, and others that have been in green or that are in green for the past month. And when we go to the past week, we're going to see the cryptos that have been performing very well for the past week. So what you are looking at are projects that haven't moved yet for the past month. So beginning with the monthly time frame, look at it. Right now, it shows that AGIX is down 22%. Aptos is down 9%. IMX is down 21%. So if say I am to invest or buy any of these tokens, I'm going to start looking at STX. That is down 28%. I'm going to look at also IMX, which is down 21%. HEX, which is down 15%. And IGIX, which is down 22%. So I'm going to head towards TradingView right now to look at STX first. I don't know what STX is all about. Those of you who don't yet have TradingView, it's important you have TradingView because it's going to help you to look at different cryptos out there and how you can go about investing in them. You need to look at the charts to see where the price is. Now, it shows that this token is on Binance and Bybit. Okay, I'm going to click on it and look at where it is right now for the weekly time frame, and it shows that this token have been pumping. Now let me go to the monthly time frame to look at this token. Okay, it seems as if this token has been pumping like crazy. Well, in this case, I won't buy this token because it has been pumping recently. I'm gonna go back to look at different opportunities. Let me look at AGIX to see if say there is an opportunity in that one. AGIX, Binance have it. When I look at the monthly time frame, it shows that AGIX is moving sideways to an extent. It's at the middle, meaning it is at a position where investors are either wondering where the price might go towards, right? And if say investors are wondering in the direction of this project, where the price is going, then you should start looking at the project in general, what it is all about. And if say it is a project that have a huge community, go on CoinGecko and you search for AGIX. AGIX, Singularity. Once you're there, you can now go to their community on Twitter to see what they have been all about lately. It's important you look at all these details to help you understand what is going on in the ecosystem. So we are now on Twitter. Let me go to AGIX so I can see what they are doing. This is their page. You can look at what they have been all about, what they are posting. If you say something new is coming, this token have a huge community. They have been posting stuff recently. So you go back now to Crypto Bubble and you go back now to your chart. You look at the daily time frame to see how the price is on a daily time frame. From what I can look at right now on the daily time frame, it shows that this token might move to this level. You can see here, if I zoom in, you're going to see that this token is actually in the middle, as I mentioned earlier, or as we saw earlier. That means investors are looking at this price point from the beginning, like from this level to this level here. They have decided that this is going to be a resistance level. They don't want the price to go below this. You can see from here, the price attempted to go below this level and buyers bought it back up. It came back down. They bought it back up. It came back here and it has come back again at this point, this level here. So we might expect another bounce back to this level, to this resistance here. So if say you are buying this token on a daily time frame, you know that there are a couple of resistance here that this token might be heading towards. Like for example, this is one, and this is another resistance that we might expect the token to go towards, right? So you are buying now knowing that at this price point or at this level, you're going to take out profit and get out from that project. All this is when you are doing spot trading, right? So if say this project is your project long term, of course, you can instead DCA. This goes both ways, investing and trading. So if say you are investing in this token long term, then you have an opportunity to buy more at this price point because you know that this is a good price for you to buy, and the next level or the next direction is going to be to the upside. So this is important you take into consideration. And you can do the same with any other coins out there that you are holding. Just go and look at their past performance for the month or the year. If say all the coins have been pumping and that particular coin haven't yet pumped, the least you can do is do research, find out what is going on with the project. Are they still building? Do they have an active community? If say they still have an active community who support the project, if say they have been delivering what they promised, then it will pump as well. Make sure you do all of that. But I love to look at the top 100 because with the top 100, I believe there's high liquidity and I can trade this on different platforms like Bybit, OKX, KuCoin against USDT. And if say you want to trade this on KuCoin, Bybit, BitGet, the links are found below this video. Again, you can come back here. If say looking at the daily time frame is so difficult for you, you can now come back also to the 4-hour time frame. But it's good that you mark these zones because it tells you the different areas where price might be headed towards, where we might get pullback. When the price gets to that level, you can take out some profit while waiting. If say there's a pullback, good, you buy more. If there's no pullback, you know that the next level is to the upside, and if say it breaks this resistance, automatically it will become support. You can buy more again, then take out profit at the next resistance. So this is how you go about trading or investing in cryptocurrency using Crypto Bubble. You can do this with any other coins out there, but I love to stick with the top 100 cryptocurrency as I mentioned, and you can do we can do this even with the top 1,000 crypto project. I think so. Yeah, I think you can do this even with the top 1,000 project. Let me go back there. Yeah, you can do this with the top. You can see this is a drop down where the top 1,000 projects. So you can do this like that. Look at the top 1,000 project out there to see if say there is a new gem that you can grab before it gets to the market. Like for example, you see BGL. You can do the same thing, click for more info, take me to CoinMarketCap to see more info about the token. You can do the same with any other token out there that you are investing in or that you want to invest in. You're going to go there, you're going to see all the info you need to know about this token. For example, this token is listed on the BNB chain. Buy it using PancakeSwap on your Trust or SafePower wallet. It's good to stick to the top 500. You can see this token is up 1,237%. Wow, which token is this? That's Radiant. You can click here, as I mentioned, to get more information about the token, to see what they are all about, what they are doing, where you can buy it from. If you say it's a good project, you look at their community, then you can start looking at their chart to see if the price movement is somehow good and so on. You can go down here to look at the exchanges that you can buy this token from, and yeah, from here you can see you can buy this token from TXBit, Trade Go, Free Exchange. I don't know which kind of exchanges are these, but I don't think I'm going to be buying such cryptos. I want to be buying cryptos if, say, they are found on exchanges that I trust and I'm using. If, say, you know an exchange like this and you trust them, then of course you can use them to trade this coin. Guys, this is something you can perform with any project out there. I'm going to do a separate video how you can go about support and resistance. It's very important you understand support and resistance. You can then go further to learn other indicators or how to apply other indicators, before you trade any cryptocurrency or you buy any cryptocurrency. It's important you understand all this. It's going to help you to get project at a cheaper price or to get in at a favorable price. Hopefully this content was helpful to you, and if say this content was helpful to you, then go right now and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share my content with someone else out there. You can also be part of my group. The links are found below this video. Join my Telegram group, my WhatsApp group. There are other crypto-minded people like you who are dedicated to be successful in this space. So make sure you do just that. Bye-bye.